Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Welcome friends. This is a 32-inch Samsung Full HD LCD TV. In this TV the complaint is no display problem because a backlight fault. Since this TV the backlight is produced by CFL tubes and it's discontinued from the market and spares are also not available. Here you can see these are CFL tubes. So here we are going to install the LED backlights. See now the backlight LED strips are installed and fixed. Now we can put the panel diffuser sheets, panel everything back to the TV. Now here we need a LED backlight driver board. Finally here we installed the backlight driver board, all connections are done. Now let's turn on the TV and check the picture. See friends, now picture comes and the TV is repaired successfully. So that's it, hope you liked this video. See you in another video with another interesting topics. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Thank you for watching.